Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I'm going to show you how to build this video sales page, landing page, using the Divi theme and Divi theme builder right now. I want to let you know that I'm giving this landing page away for free when you get my landing page extravaganza, or if you get the Divi theme through my affiliate link, you get access to my landing page extravaganza for free, 100% for free. Go to diviplanet.com for more details. All right, let's get into the video right now. Hey now, Mike Shamon here. Let's get started on our video landing page right now. So I just got a new page going in the visual builder. I'm just going to go enable visual builder. It's a new blank page for me, so you can make this however you want. So I'm going to go build from scratch, and let's get started. I'm going to do 2 columns. Actually, I'll probably do something like, let's do something like this. All right, this one's going to be a video. Alright, so we can put our video in right here. I'm just going to trash that one, and I'm going to... Alright, so let's go to add video, upload file, or insert from URL, upload our video, insert into post. You want to do an overlay, you can't do that. I'm just going to go to check. The video's in there right now. Alright, and now let's go to this next one. Go to add module and go to opt-in. Alright, we're just going to go right here. We're just going to take away the title. Actually, we'll type the title in now, and then for our button, we're just going to go get access now. All right, and then enter your name and email. All right, now let's center these items up. Let's go to this item right here and go to by text alignment center. Go to the paintbrush here and center that as well for the text alignment. All right, the get access now. Let's go here and get the button going. So for custom styles, we'll do a different custom style. We'll go ahead and make the button blue. Actually, the text will be white and the font is going to be a little bit bigger. Alright, and then let's make the background color blue and the border, make that 1. Alright, let's go ahead and get the font. We'll just use the default font, but we'll go ahead and get the ultra bold. Alright, and let's put a little text shadow on this button. Alright, and then let's go to the text color and just turn up the opacity a little bit. Now for the button itself, we'll do a little blur strength on it. Okay. Now let's go ahead and make this a rollover, so when they roll over it, they'll change colors. So we'll go to the button background, go to hover, and the background color just going to be a little bit lighter color. Just gonna be like that when they roll over. So desktop is that, rollover is that. So we got that going on. Now let's go ahead and actually we gotta make this text up here black, or at least darker. I'm not gonna use the background color, so go content and background. Let's go ahead and trash this background. And now let's go ahead and make a border, design and border. Make it 2. That looks pretty good, and make it red. With, let's do dashed. I like doing dashed in red. Make the border a little bit bigger now. Okay, and now we gotta go to our fields right here. So you just roll over and get the paintbrush here. Go to fields and go to border, field border, go to 1, and that'll pop right up there. That's looking good. And what we can do is go to content and background for this form, and let's just make this a gray color. There we go, this black color, make it a gray, the light gray. All right, and then go design and box shadow. Just make that pop out just a little bit more. All right, check. All right, so that's looking good. Now what we're going to do is go back over here to the video and go to the, actually we'll go back over here and we'll add a little blurb in the bottom here. Let's go blurb. Alright, I'm just going to say on, delete the title, check. And now I'm going to go to the setting right here and go to design and image and icon. It's going to be on the left side, and it's going to be use icon. It's going to be a little voice icon in here. And what I'll do is I'll make it this background color. It's going to be red. Okay. Now design an image and icon. Icon color is going to be white. And then we're going to use an icon font size. So we're just going to bring it down a little bit. Okay, now let's go to this little text right here and go to the paintbrush. Make that white. And now let's go ahead and go to letter spacing, make it a little bigger. Change the line height just a little bit here. All right, and then let's go to content or design and sizing. You want to play around with the content width to get in the center. Check that. And you see the spacing right here. Let's go to this and go to design and spacing. Zero up on the bottoms. All right, and go to check. Now let's go to this little guy down here and go back to design and spacing for this blurb. And for the top padding, let's just put in 2. And same thing for the bottom. All right, 4. Let's go 4. Yeah, 4 looks a little bit better. Now let's increase this text on this one. All right, and maybe we'll make it that all. There you go. That looks good. Now what I'll do is let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger row here so things are kind of equaled out. I'm going to go to this row settings here. I'm going to go to design and actually I'm going to go to this column here and go to design and border and make this border width 2 pixels, 3 pixels. All right, and go to check. And now I'm going to go to the column again, go design and box shadow, do a little bit of a box shadow right there. Check. And now let's make this a little bit bigger, design and sizing, 100% in the center, and just go to check. Now go back to the row settings, go design and sizing. All right, and use custom gutter width. All right, bring them more together just like that. Or let's see here. Let's keep it at 2 maybe. Keep it at 2. And then let's make this row bigger. So let's go 100% right here. Go to check. Now that is super big. So we're gonna go to design and sizing. Bring it down a little bit on the width. And what we can do is equalize column heights. And that's gonna help us out a little bit right here. Take off the column heights there. All right, that looks good right there. But look, I want to make it a little bit bigger actually. Yeah. All right, that looks good right there. Go to check. And what I'll do here is I will add in. If I go to this thing right here and go to settings. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my picture right here. Add media. From the media library, go to add media. All right, and there's our picture inside of there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go up here and to go to this text real fast and let's bold that a little bit, and maybe we'll make that underlined, and let's make that just a little bit bigger. All right, check. That looks pretty good. And actually what I'm gonna do, maybe let's see this here, let me see if I can just go down a little bit more, just like that. I think that's gonna be our winner right there. Let's go here, design and sizing, make it just a little bit bigger. All right, actually let's go see if 90 works. 90 works, check. All right, so that's how you make it. Now let's see if it's responsive for mobile. Let's go to mobile, see if it's designed for mobile. Mobile, it actually looks pretty good. It actually looks pretty good on mobile, so we don't even have to do anything much. Right there, you wanna make sure you set your success action to wherever you want it to go. We could just do a little different thing here and go to background. Make this a little bit gray. Go check, design, and sizing, height. It's gonna be 100%. I'm gonna add a little bit of spacing to the bottom of this row here. Actually, let's add some design and spacing to the bottom. So add 150 pixels. Check. All right, so there is our landing page there, and that's how you do a video landing page. All right, turn the sound on. Boom, boom, boom. And that's how you do it. Go ahead, check out my sales page Divi theme tutorial. Go ahead, check out my other landing pages with scarcity tutorials there. And I will see y'all on the other side.